Hey guys, welcome to our Review Beauty channel, the encyclopedia of beauty brands. I am here with another product that helps periodontal health and your teeth and gums. This is the Perio-Bright Cleanse. It is the same as the gel I was talking about. It's oral cleansing concentrate. It doesn't have alcohol, preservatives, synthetic chemicals, solvents, artificial colors, dyes, sweeteners, SLS, no fluoride. It's good. It's actually supposed to be used with all oral irrigators. If you have periodontal issues, I would recommend you get one right away, because this is the only thing that will cleanse and massage your gums, and in between the teeth sometimes the floss can't really get there, especially if it's far away down there. So I would definitely recommend you to get that. It has a pump, so when you buy it, it's just a regular bottle, right? But you take the cap off, and there is going to be this it's going to be easier for you to just do 2 pumps. If you don't have an irrigator, make sure it holds at least 300 milliliters of water. For this case, you would need 2 pumps, and your water should be warm. And then you put it in the irrigator's reservoir and do the thing, so to say. If you have advanced periodontal support issues and you want to support it, you could use up to 4 pumpfuls. Don't use really high pressure, low to moderate is good. And then once you're done, you flush the irrigator inside with fresh water. And you could use it once a day, or as directed by a dental professional, right? I normally use it twice a day, and after you use it, you could just omit from eating anything for about 10 minutes, so because it has really good herbal extracts here. It really naturally flushes the teeth, and really have that feeling of the fresh and clean teeth for hours afterwards. So it's a natural deep cleansing solution. I would recommend definitely get it. It has black walnut extract, it has CoQ10, it has green tea, aloe vera, it has thyme flower leaf oil, it has cinnamon bark oil. Bark is very good for periodontal health. Gotu kola, prickly ash, oregano, lavender, clove, and it's not even the full list. So it's really the product to go if you want some natural approach for your healthy gums and teeth. If you have any questions, let me know. I wish you guys all the best. Do not forget to put the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later.